Compliance work has always demanded precision, but the volume and complexity of what teams are expected to manage has grown far beyond what manual processes were ever designed to handle. AI changes that equation, where a manual review might take days. An intelligent system can analyze compliance requirements in minutes, cross-referencing controls, identifying gaps, and surfacing the issues that need attention. The speed difference isn't marginal, it's transformative. Beyond speed, AI brings structure. Rather than relying on individuals to navigate complex requirements from memory, AI-driven systems guide teams through readiness checks step by step, ensuring nothing is missed. Every action is logged, and the process is consistent, regardless of who is running it. The cognitive load on your team drops. The accuracy of the output goes up. But here is what AI is not: a replacement for the people doing this work. Compliance expertise cannot be automated. Judgment, context, and accountability still belong to your team. What AI handles are the repetitive tasks and complex logic that consume time without requiring that expertise. The groundwork, so your professionals can focus on the decisions that actually matter. AI doesn't take compliance off your team's plate, it clears the plate. So the work that remains is the work worth doing. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Keep your team focused on what counts.